Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a ghost house. First, select an ideal location such as a garage, shed, or even a large room. Ensure you have at least 100 square feet of clear space to work with. Next, map out a simple, winding path for your guests to follow, creating a sense of mystery. Finally, secure all entry and exit points to maintain a controlled and safe environment for everyone. Now, let's set the mood. Dim the lights significantly, perhaps using just 1 or 2 25-watt bulbs to cast long shadows. Drape white or light gray sheets over existing furniture to create mysterious, undefined shapes. Hang lightweight, translucent fabrics from the ceiling, allowing them to sway gently, mimicking ethereal presences. Don't forget to add plenty of artificial cobwebs and plastic spiders for that classic haunted feel. To truly bring your ghost house to life, incorporate special effects. A fog machine is essential for a low-lying, mysterious mist that obscures vision. Play subtle, unsettling audio tracks, like distant whispers, creaking doors, or faint moans at a low volume. Consider motion-activated props that suddenly drop or light up, adding unexpected scares. Finally, use black lights to make white or fluorescent objects glow, enhancing the otherworldly atmosphere. Safety is paramount for your ghost house. Double-check that all pathways are completely clear of any tripping hazards and are well-defined for guests. Clearly mark and ensure easy access to all emergency exits. Thoroughly test all electrical connections, lighting, and props to prevent any unexpected issues. If you have actors, brief them on their roles, scare techniques, and, most importantly, all safety protocols before the first guest arrives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.